A fault is a fracture in the Earth's crust, characterized by an uneven crack that may run for many kilometers. The two sides of the fault line are actually two gigantic moving sections or plates of the Earth's crust. The crack in the Earth is created because one plate is moving relative to the other. When the plates move past each other, the relative motion is horizontal, and we have a strike-slip fault. The San Andreas Fault, for example, is a strike-slip fault. When the plates press toward each other, large blocks of rock may be lifted up, producing thrust faults. When plates move away from each other, rocks may be lowered, producing downdropped faults. The amount of vertical displacement is called the fault's throw. Faults vary in throw from a few meters to hundreds of meters. Movement of the Earth's great plates is usually slow and steady, causing gradual changes along fault lines. Sometimes the rock along a fault locks and stress builds up. Earthquakes occur when the rocks break apart and stress is suddenly released. The plates can displace several meters in an instant, creating a violent wrenching of the Earth's crust, toppling man-made structures and triggering landslides and mud flows.
The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to all parts of the body. It can be divided into two cavities. Two pumps work simultaneously. The right cavity takes in oxygen-poor blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs. The left cavity takes oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and returns it to the body. Each side of the heart has an auricle, which draws blood in from the veins, and a ventricle, which pushes the blood out. There are two stages in each heartbeat cycle, the systole and the diastole. In diastole, the heart muscle relaxes and blood is drawn into the two auricles. Rising pressure in each auricle opens the tricuspid and mitral valves and blood flows into the ventricles. Each auricle contracts, filling ventricles to capacity. During the systole stage, the filled ventricles contract. The mitral and tricuspid valves close, the aortic and pulmonary valves are forced open, and blood pushes out into the arteries. Then the heart relaxes, the aortic and pulmonary valves close, and diastole starts again.